Hi guys, welcome back to the third and final video. In this video, we are going to assess what you've learned. But before we do that, we're just going to review about everything that we learned today. We talked about the environment and what exactly the environment is, which is the surroundings in the places that we live, and why it's important that we keep the earth clean that's because this is the only place that we have to live, and we need to treat it as such. And because we're not the only ones that live here, animals live here too, and because we need both plants and animals to help us survive. So for your test today, we are going to take a Quizlet quiz. And I already have it set up and everything for you here. We are doing a mix and match thing here, so it will go just like so. I'm going to go ahead and model it for you. Does pollution harm animals too? We already know the answer to that is yes, so we're going to drag and drop. Obviously the answer was right. Why is it so important that we keep the earth clean? Let's go with it's the only place that we have to live. And it turns green, so we were right. What are some of the things listed that harm the ocean? And I'm going to go ahead and answer that one with an answer that I know is wrong, just to show you guys what it'll look like. See, it just drags it and turns it red. So let's find the right answer for this one. What are some of the things listed that harm the ocean? This looks like it. Is it true that over 50% of America's trash gets recycled? We're going to go with no, because it's only 10%. So that was false. What are some ways to help make the earth a better place to live? And obviously that answer is to turn your lights off, recycle, take baths or shorter showers, no styrofoam, use real dishes, use solar panels, walk or bike instead of drive. So we're just going to drag and drop that there. Okay, and there we go. We did pretty good, it looks like. Okay, so that is a test for you guys, but we have one more thing that we want to do just to close the lesson in class today. I want you guys to go ahead and get on your Twitter, and I'm doing a poll. So if you go to my page, which my username is right there, I said, out of all the animals I showed you today, which one was your favorite? The dog, the prairie dog, or the chinchilla? And I know I did not show you the chinchilla, but I actually have her right here. Oh, hang on just a second. It's okay. I moved her cage over here, and I think I scared her. Oh, she's a little more jumpy than the other ones. Okay. And one of her favorite things to do, besides jump on my laptop, is to take a dust bath. This is what a chinchilla looks like when they take a dust bath. And it's getting all over my laptop. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put her back. Okay. Oof. Okay, so just to review what we went over today, the earth is the only place that we have to live, so we need to love it, cherish it, and take care of it. I know it seems like an issue that we talk about a lot, but it's something that I am actually very passionate about and I care about, because I don't think it's something that's taken seriously enough. So hopefully you guys learned something today, and I hope that you apply it to your life and do something good for people and animals like this sweet girl here. Thanks for watching.